Hello and welcome. Welcome to the basement. Ugh. David Bradley here. Okay. Ugh. So, I'm going to try and do something today. Yes, I am. So, I found before I had these cool speakers. I did. Oh, there's one. And these are typically meant to attach to a thing. What's that thing? Oh, it's a clock. Where's the other speaker? Ah, it's got to be here. Got to be here. Oh, maybe. Did I drop it? Sorry. Maybe if I just. Oh, there it is. Okay. I did not drop it. Okay. So here is the other speaker. Now, there's got to be more cords around here. There's got to be, and I think there's a power supply thing. Oh my golly, how could things get so separated? Maybe this is it. Ah! Okay, so now we're cooking with gas, maybe? Anyway, the thing of it is it's always interesting when you end up with cables, and things should work, but you don't have the right adapter. You gotta have the right adapter. So I was hunting around for things that didn't work. So, but what I found, this story goes back long ago, and I haven't seen this for a while, so I've never done anything about it, but I would always see people sitting in the halls. There we are. Power. With power speaker. Yeah. Friends would be sitting next to each other with like those earbud things, and each one of them would have one of them in one ear. And I kept saying to them, they make adapters. They do. That would let you. Oh, come on, you. A second. I'm reaching for the power bar. Did I get it in? Did I get it in? I did. Okay. How do we tell? Because there's a green light. Okay. There are these adapters that would let you plug in two sets of headphone speaker and headphone splitter for iPod, MP3, CD. Anyway, so I did find some, but then I never found anybody to say, you can try this. Anyway, here's what I'm hoping. What will happen now is I have been doing a little stuff. Well, I haven't been doing much lately, but I've been doing a little stuff with this record player and other such things. And that's all fine and that's all good. But the speaker on the 1701, because there is no amplifier thing, is not really doing much for me. It really isn't. So, as in, it's a very low thing. Now, I put the microphone on it, and it works okay. Anyway, what I'm thinking is, with the things that I have here, I'm thinking I can take this adapter thing, which would do like the two earphone things, and I can do this so that there's the power, can have this doing the record player through these little speaker dudes. I'm thinking. I gotta find the cables. Alright, so this pink thing goes into this pink thing. So they should be connected. Aha, that's the power. And now, things are falling. We have the wire that I connected this adapter to. Now, there should be some other wires here. And I think maybe this is the one I'm in search of. Maybe. Behold the magic. So I can put this in here. And then I should be able to take this here. Uh-oh. Do we have the wrong gender? I thought there was some other cable around here that might have... Oh, wait. Is this handy? Oh, I don't know. Okay, hang on. Maybe part of this would be helpful. Because remember, these are all things that are running in together. They are. Alright, let me think about this. I have this. This is now connected. I have this. This is now connected. And that's coming out of the record player. And so this comes out of the record player. One would think it would go in here, come out of here. The red thing here, oh no, that's just going back to the record player. Am I still into a gender situation? What have I done? Unplug these. Let me think about this. I'm baffled for the moment. Alright. I need to look for some more things, adapters, cables, something. And so I will. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Bye for now.